Hi there. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can redirect your domain name from HTTP to HTTPS if SSL certificate is on your website, your domain name, but it's not active. So when people type HTTP version of your domain name, it will show this not secured notice. Okay, you don't want that. You want them to type HTTP and it will still redirect them to the secured version of the domain name. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so right now when I put HTTPS and hit enter, you see that it's secured, and this is the secured version of the domain name. But some people may type without the S, okay, without the S, and it will show them the not secured version. This is not what we want. Even if they type HTTP without S, we still want them to go to our secured version of the domain name. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go to a file called htaccess. Okay, so you go to your hosting dashboard and then go to cPanel. When you get to cPanel, go to Files Manager, and then let me search for the subdomain name, but in your case it should be here inside public_html. okay, but I have it as a subdomain name. So this is it, and this is the file we want to edit. That's htaccess. Okay, if it's not there, please click here. So you click on settings and then make sure show hidden files is check mark. Okay, and you hit save. It will refresh and bring it. Okay, if only the file exists. Okay, so you click on this file and then you edit. Okay, you edit and edit again. Okay, so this is the file that we want to edit. Now you see here, make sure you leave some space. Okay, just above and cPanel generated header, do not edit. So above this, make sure you leave some space because you're going to be pasting some code here. Okay, and in the description of this video I have the code, so you copy that code and then you paste the code here. But there are some changes we want to make. Make sure you replace this with your website name. So in my case, let me go to the website and then copy the website URL. Okay, go back and replace it. Alright, so replace it from here to here. Alright, but make sure you remove the not secured version like this. This is how we want it to be. Alright, with S here, so it will redirect them to the secured version even if they do not type HTTPS but only HTTP. And then make sure you save changes. Okay, so after the changes have been saved, go back to the website and refresh it, and that is it. You can see it has redirected us to the secured version of the domain name. Okay, so let me show you one more time. So what we want to do is, let's go back to the website. Let's remove the S and see what will happen. We have removed the S, but it will still redirect us to the secured version. So let's see. you can see. I hope that's the proof. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this video has been informative and valuable, remember to subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.